India, the spot-billed pelican. Next speakers from Eastern Europe, we have the Dalmatian pelican. Come on over here, guys. Only pelican on stage? That can't be. Also from Africa, ladies and gentlemen, we have the beautiful ladies in pink with the long, sexy legs. Give it up for the greater Flamingo. Last but not least are the gorgeous macaws from South America, coming from up there and there. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of birds. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now with that, we've come to the end of High Flyers. You're more than welcome to come on down now and take pictures of our beautiful birds as the trainers usher them back home. Now in a short while, we are also inviting you to be on stage taking pictures with another group of flamingos